Hi everyone. In this video we will discuss about Java Full Stack Developer, Azure Data Engineer, Azure DevOps. At first let's talk about Full Stack Java Developer. Who is a Full Stack Java Developer? A Full Stack Java Developer is a web programmer who uses Java, a popular computer programming language. These professionals write code in all three layers of a web-based application: 1. The front end, 2. The back end, and 3. The database layer. What does a full-stack Java developer do? Full-stack Java developers often lead web development teams that design new websites and update existing ones. Full-stack Java developers may provide advice and complete tasks for businesses using their various skills related to web-based programming. To become a successful and better full-stack Java developer, you must have knowledge of these 7 technologies. Now let's talk about Azure. Microsoft Azure, often referred to as Azure, is a cloud computing service operated by Microsoft for application management via Microsoft Managed Data Centers. So we are going to study about Azure Data Engineer and Azure DevOps. Let's talk about Azure Data Engineer. Who is an Azure Data Engineer? Azure Data Engineer is a broad term. These are highly skilled professionals and have many roles to play in an organization. Azure Data Engineers integrate, transform, and consolidate data from various structured and unstructured data systems into structures that are suitable for building analytic solutions. What does an Azure Data Engineer do? An Azure Data Engineer manages, distributes, analyzes, organizes, optimizes, and secures the data. Using his unique talents and capabilities, Azure Data Engineers engage with business stakeholders to determine and address data requirements. They also regulate, govern, and guarantee data privacy and security. Path to become an Azure Data Engineer. To secure promising Azure Data Engineer jobs, candidates also need to specialize in role-specific skills. The role-specific skills clearly emphasize on the essential capabilities and knowledge a data engineer needs to address their tasks. The certification for the job role of Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer Associate is highly important. Once you got this badge, you become a certified Azure Data Engineer. Now let's discuss about Azure DevOps. What is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps provides developer services for allowing teams to plan work, collaborate on code development, and build and deploy applications. Azure DevOps supports a collaborative culture and set of processes that bring together developers, project managers, and contributors to develop software. It allows organizations to create and improve products at a faster pace than they can with traditional software development approaches. What does Azure DevOps do? Azure DevOps is a set of modern services which are used to plan smarter, collaborate better, ship faster. Azure DevOps provides all these features. You can use all of them or choose from them as per your need and role. Services that Azure DevOps provide. First one is boards. Second is repos. Third is pipeline. Fourth is test plans, and the last is artifacts. Benefits of Azure DevOps. Reliability. Azure DevOps is reliable, scalable, and globally available, and also backed by 24/7 support. Access to the latest features. Azure DevOps users get access to new features every 3 weeks. End of the upgrade cycle. By moving to a SaaS model, you no longer need to worry about patching and upgrading the tool chain.